So hello guys, natay check out karon na bagong na open restaurant ang Wildfire Asian Fusion dito sa Banawa. So let's check out this new restaurant. Tara, let's drive and eat. Guys, we're here at 8 Banawa Centrale because we're gonna check out this newly opened restaurant called Wildfire Asian Fusion. Tara, panghaon ta. I'm sure lami dire. Let's go. So guys, mag-start of his dinner now. There is a Wildfire Asian Fusion. Oh, mag-start as a rolls, of course. One nilang signature rolls and ang spicy salmon of fried lava. So, naon ta? So guys, nandun sa itong main event which is inang pot chicken. So this is like chicken hot pot. But, so where about? And of course we have tempura and we have a Thai shrimp soup. So, ano bang It's really Asian fusion. You have dishes from all over Asia. You have Japan, kalimutan, Korean, Chinese, or Chinese food. And ayun, this is 5. So, dalawa. Very mild, pero ba taste din mo yung shrimp, the flavor ba. This time, ang tempura ka, of course, Japanese. Crunchy yung ilang coating and batter. Fluffy, airy. And very fragrant sa baba. This time, hot chicken and chorizo, mushrooms, and of course chicken. And rice. So, we got a big spoonful. Anyway, a meal on its own, perfect na kaya na rice, protein, mushrooms, and here really have really nice flavors in your mouth. Like a chicken hot pot with all the flavors, the chorizo, the aroma, the sweetness of the chorizo. It goes so well with the umami and the saltiness. Ano ilang igamit? Of course, the umami of the mushroom. Enjoyable kaya. So magtiwa sa bigkaon.
Kita-kita tayo sa Wildfire!
So guys, maraming kaon. There is a Wildfire Asian Fusion and I really enjoyed my first meal here. Kami kailang mga rolls. The hot pot is so good. Enjoy ko. And of course, the tempura. Pero wala, they're open. There's a new restaurant, Asian Fusion and Phili, so you can see a lot of rolls, Japanese dishes, Asian dishes, well made, and of course, sakto ang presyo ba. Hindi kay tantong mahal, very ma-afford na sa mga nagtrabaho diha. And they're open from 11 to 8:30 p.m., 11 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. daily. They're located here at 8 Banawa Centrale. So let's support this new venture by a local. So, hey, mga unta, there is a Wildfire Asian Fusion. Bye.